Step-by-step tutorial, applying makeup with eco-friendly brushes. Title: Step-by-step tutorial, applying makeup with eco-friendly brushes. Introduction. The beauty industry has been rapidly evolving in recent years, not only in terms of the innovative makeup products but also in response to the growing need for eco-friendly alternatives. With a shift towards sustainability, conscious consumers are looking for ways to incorporate environmentally friendly practices into their makeup routines. In this step-by-step tutorial, we will guide you through the process of applying makeup using eco-friendly brushes, helping you achieve a flawless look while reducing your ecological footprint. Step 1. Choosing eco-friendly brushes. When it comes to eco-friendly brushes, it is essential to opt for those made from sustainable materials. Look for brushes with handles made from bamboo, which is a renewable resource that grows quickly without the need for pesticides or fertilizers. Synthetic fibers are the eco-friendly alternative to natural animal hair brushes. They offer the same performance as traditional brushes while being cruelty-free. Step 2. Preparing your skin. Before applying a makeup, it's crucial to prepare your skin. Start by cleansing your face with a gentle, natural cleanser that suits your skin type. Follow it up with your regular skincare routine, including toner, moisturizer, and sunscreen. Allow the products to absorb fully before moving on to the next step. Step 3. Foundation application. To achieve a flawless base, start by applying your foundation. Pump a small amount onto the back of your hand and use a foundation brush with soft, synthetic bristles to blend it onto your face. Begin in the center and work your way outward, using gentle, sweeping motions. Make sure to blend well along your hairline, jawline, and neck for a seamless finish. Step 4. Concealing imperfections. Next, use a small concealer brush to cover any blemishes, dark circles, or imperfections. Dab a small amount of concealer onto the brush and lightly tap it onto the area you want to conceal. Gently blend the edges for a natural look. Remember, less is more, so build up the coverage gradually if necessary. Step 5. Setting the base. To ensure your makeup lasts longer and stays in place, it's essential to set your base with a translucent powder. Choose a brush with soft, fluffy bristles and dip it into the powder. Tap off any excess and gently sweep the brush over your face, focusing on areas prone to oiliness. This step will help control shine and create a smooth canvas for the rest of your makeup. Step 6. Enhancing your features with eye makeup. Now, let's move on to the eyes. For an eco-friendly eye makeup look, start with an eye primer to ensure your eyeshadow stays vibrant and crease-free. Use an eyeshadow blending brush to apply a neutral shade all over your lid, blending it towards the crease. For more definition, use a smaller brush to apply a darker shade to the outer corner and blend it softly. Step 7. Framing your eyes. Eyebrows play a prominent role in framing the face. Achieve natural-looking, well-groomed brows with an eco-friendly eyebrow brush. Use the spoolie end to brush your eyebrows into place, then fill in any sparse areas with an eco-friendly eyebrow powder or pencil. Blending the color with the brush's angled end will give your brows a more defined shape. Step 8. Defining your lashes. To complete your eye makeup look, let's bring attention to your lashes. Curl your lashes using an eco-friendly lash curler to create an open, wide-eyed effect. Follow up with a coat of mascara, applying it from the root to the tip. For an even more eco-conscious option, consider choosing a mascara with a refillable cartridge to minimize waste. Step 9. Adding color to your cheeks. A pop of color on the cheeks can instantly brighten your complexion. Choose a blush brush made from sustainable materials and sweep it over your favorite eco-friendly blush product. Smile and apply the blush to the apples of your cheeks, blending it softly towards your temples for a natural flush. Step 10. Finishing touches with eco-friendly lip brushes. Lastly, let's focus on your lips. Apply a lip balm or moisturizer to hydrate your lips, and then use an eco-friendly lip brush to apply your lip color of choice. Fill in your lips evenly, starting from the center and working your way towards the edges. To create a precise outline, use the brush to define your lip line. The topic of eco-friendly makeup brushes is one that is becoming increasingly popular among beauty enthusiasts. As consumers become more conscious of their ecological footprint, they are actively seeking out sustainable alternatives in every aspect of their lives, including their makeup application tools. In this step-by-step tutorial, we will guide you through the process of applying makeup with eco-friendly brushes, helping you achieve a flawless look while reducing your impact on the environment. Step 1. Choosing eco-friendly brushes. When it comes to eco-friendly brushes, it is essential to opt for those made from sustainable materials.